here is a statement for high winds. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Madison, Marion, and Tipton. High wind warning in effect from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Some power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: winds are expected to be strongest between 7 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.